Hi, my name is Louisa Acheba, and I'm the model brand manager for this car. This is the XC40, the new compact luxury SUV from Volvo Cars. At Volvo Cars, everything we do starts with people, and this car is made for you and your needs. This is not just a smaller version of our larger cars. The new XC40 has its own unique character and tailored innovations for an active urban lifestyle. This is the first model on our compact modular architecture platform. You get the same engineering benefits as our larger cars, but in a more compact package. The new XC40 has a clear SUV identity, and you can further customize it in 2 trim levels: the Momentum, and like this one, the R design. The front has a powerful shark nose appearance. The clamshell hood gives a very dramatic surface area, which frames the concave grille with its refined strength. The car has a very strong sculptured profile and a distinctive kick in the rear for a youthful expression. Together with the large wheels and wheel arch extensions, the SUV identity is emphasized even more with a high ground clearance. Rims range in size from 17 to 21 inches and available in a range of designs. The rear is actually wider than the front, which contributes to its powerful stance. To further emphasize the width of the car, we created a tailgate with one single surface, and it's all framed by the beautiful LED taillights. You can easily load and unload your car with a hands-free power-operated tailgate. It has fantastic storage capabilities and a generous cargo space. The flat floor can be folded. When you carry larger items, the parcel shelf can be stored under the floor. And you can use the hooks for items that need stability. The rear seat backrest can easily be folded from the button on the side. Enjoy agile and energetic responses from behind the wheel with a choice of powerful and fuel-efficient engines available in both diesel and petrol, up to 247 horsepower. City Safety is our advanced driver assistant technology. Constantly helps scanning the road ahead of you to detect any potential imminent collision with other vehicles, pedestrians, cyclists, or even large animals, by day and night. If a collision is unavoidable, it will even brake the XC40 to help avoid an accident. Parking can be a bit of a hassle, particularly in the city. For those occasions, the 360-degree camera can be a fantastic assist. It gives you a bird's-eye view of your car and the surroundings. Parking has never been easier. The sill is integrated into the door, so you can stand closer to the seat when stepping in without getting dirty. The huge panoramic roof allows natural light to flood the cabin. Because light is so important, the interior is enhanced with an advanced lighting system to give the car a warm and contemporary ambience. Additionally, the LED lights picks up the beautiful organic shape of the aluminum decor. This combination creates a feeling of creativity, energy, and youthfulness, which is unique to the XC40. Volvo Cars has always been renowned for its seat comfort, and the XC40 is no exception. This R design execution is with charcoal, nappa leather, and nubuck textile, with blonde stitching and piping. The high seating position creates a very good visibility and gives a sense of always being in command. The award-winning center touchscreen comes as standard. Simply swipe and touch to navigate through the functions and apps. It's as easy to use as your tablet. Voice controls makes your interaction with the car even easier when driving. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are available to seamlessly integrate your digital devices. The driver display is clear and legible. For easy operation, the audio and vehicle information is optimally placed for the driver. The screen adjusts to the surrounding light. We have created a car for you and your needs. It means that we have given the car a lot of dedicated spaces for all your things. Underneath the armrest, there is a large storage. There's even a removable trash bin. Underneath the seat, there is a hidden storage for smaller items. There is a dedicated space for your phone where you can charge it. Another smart solution is the hook where you can hang your takeout or a small shopping bag. And of course, there are cup holders and plenty of USB charging points too. What's interesting with the inner door is that the lower part is only for storage, which is best in class. It's great for large drink bottles, laptop, or even a small bag. The door storage is enabled by a new sound innovation. We have completely changed the way to build music into the car. The XC40 has a unique air-ventilated woofer mounted behind the dashboard rather than in the doors. There is no compromise between great storage and great sound. And with the optional top-of-the-line Harman Kardon Premium sound, the system delivers a detailed and powerful music experience, and the bass performance is exceptional. The XC40 combines bold Scandinavian design, modern technology, and intuitive connectivity. It also adds smart storage solutions that truly redefines the notion of a luxury city SUV experience. Everything we do starts with people. It starts with really understanding your needs and desires.